Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial. So in the previous tutorial we did the first step of our text cleaning process, only keeping the letters from A to Z, whether it's capital or not. And now let's move on to the second step. So we will add a new line here and then same, update the first review with the same variable review. And now let's proceed with this second step of the cleaning process. So the second step is going to be about putting all the letters of this review here in lowercase. That means that this capital W here is going to become a lowercase w, and same for this capital L here. It's going to become a lowercase l. So let's do this. It's actually going to be very simple. What we only need to do is to add here equals and then take our review again. So that's exactly the same variable as this one, which right now has this value, that is this review written this way. And then we need to add a little dot here. And then simply we use the lower function, and we don't have to input any parameters because this will simply put all the characters in this review here in lower cases. So let's do this. Right now review is written this way. Let's see what happens when we select this and execute. All right, let's type here review. And as you can see, all the capital letters were replaced by the same letters in lower cases. All right, so second step of the cleaning process done. And now let's move on to the third step in the next tutorial. Until then, enjoy machine learning.